This is MDC-TV Newsflash. Miami Dade College launches Miami Startup Ecosystem Internship Program to expand career readiness for students. The internship program, managed by the Idea Center at Miami Dade College through Blackstone LaunchPad, is supported by a $1 million grant from the Blackstone Charitable Foundation and JPMorganChase.
Very proud today to be here at Miami Dade College announcing a $1 million investment in this Miami Internship Ecosystem Program that is going to support close to 200 high-achieving MDC students to be placed in summer internships for them to obtain real-life networking and experience for students to be able to succeed in their careers in this rapidly evolving job market.
Blackstone Charitable Foundation is dedicated to advancing career mobility and economic opportunity. For us, internships for first-generation and low-income college students are key. Students who have paid internships by the time they graduate are twice as likely to get job offers, and those job offers have higher salaries. So for us to be able to provide more opportunities for MDC students to have access to paid internships is a huge success.
This program offers students paid, hands-on learning experiences at tech startups and scalable small businesses across Miami's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Over the next 2 years, the program will place at least 200 students in 8 to 12-week internships, equipping them with valuable skills and supporting local businesses.
This partnership with Miami Dade College and Blackstone and JPMorganChase and Tech Equity creates opportunities for our students. It is a partnership that helps our businesses connect to talent. And we know that talent is universal, but opportunity is not. And Miami Dade is about creating opportunities.
Using a co-funding model, MDC and participating employers will share the cost of student wages of $20 per hour, making it easier for businesses to host interns while ensuring students gain meaningful, industry-relevant experience.
It's remarkable that we have this great program, of course, at Miami Dade College and, of course, at the Idea Lab. And here we are with support from Blackstone, with support from JPMorganChase, from the county, working together to identify talent, young people who can get the training and earn a living while they are getting the experience they need to be the future workers in technology and AI.
The program will be carried out in partnership with Tech Equity Miami, a first-of-its-kind funder consortium deploying $100 million over 5 years to help create and expand pathways into tech-based careers. If you want more Miami Dade College news, you can visit us at news.mdc.edu.